Assalamu alaikum. We're solving CSS GSA 2022. This is our fifth video where we would be solving question number 7, part B. The question says, find the missing number in this series. Well, find the missing number is a must part of your CSS GSA paper. Such questions come under the ambit of logical reasoning. Here, there is no formula or one way or one step kind of process that I can share with you. You can learn this by practicing and by using your brains. How it's done, you just try to find out the relation between the series that is given and find out a commonality between the numbers that is given and find the missing number. How it's done, for instance, 4, 16, 36, 64, 144. See, 2's square is 4, 4's square is 16, 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64, what is happening in the series is it is starting with 2 and it proceeds with the difference of 2, or it's a set of common numbers starting with 2 and we're just taking its square or their square. For example, 2 square is 4. After 2, the number that comes, the even number that follows 2 is 4. 4's square is 16. And then comes 6. We'll take 6's square, which becomes 36. And after 6, the even number that follows it is 8. 8's square is 64. Now, what follows 8 is 10. If we take its square, it becomes 100. So our missing number is 100. After 10, the even number that follows 10 is 12. 12's square is 144. So we are right. Our series is right. The relationship that we have found is right. It is a set of even number starting with 2 and ending at 12. The missing one is 10 square, which is 100. This is our answer. So there is no hard and fast rule here. It's logical reasoning. You have to practice it. There are zillions of questions online where you can find them and you can practice them. और मज़े की बात यह है कि उन्हीं सीरीज़ में से GRE सीरीज़ या ऑनलाइन जो सीरीज़ होते हैं आपके UPSC के या आपके पास पेपर्स के होते हैं, उन्हीं में से सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. तो इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. डोंट वरी much about it. Part 2 says 30, 29, 27 and question mark 20, 15. Now, the difference between 30 and 29 is -1. The difference between 29 and 27 is -2. So the difference between 27 and the missing number should be -3. And it also should be, the difference between the missing number and 20 should be -4. So 27 minus 3 is 24. And 24 minus 4 is 20. So this is right. Our missing number is 24, which is 3 numbers lesser than 27 and 4 numbers lesser than 20. And 20 minus 5 is 15. So is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. The relation between the numbers is minus 5, and our missing number is 24. It's very easy. You just have to figure out the relationship between the numbers. Number 3 is 1, 7, 15, 25, question mark, 51. So the difference between 1 and 7 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. The difference between 7 and 15 is, I guess, 8. Yes, 7 plus 8 is 15. The difference between 15 and 25 is 10. 15 plus 10 is 25. The difference between 25 and the missing number should be 12. It is 7, 37. Yes, 25 to 37. So it is following a series of even numbers starting with 6. So we have to check it. 37 plus 14 should be 51. Yes, 11, 1, 4, 51, right. We are correct in figuring out the relationship between the numbers in the series, and our missing number is 37. Now, part 4 says 0, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, question mark. Again, the difference between 0 and 2 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Now 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. And 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The number that would follow 10 is 12 because it is a series or a set of even numbers. So 30 plus 12 is equals to 42. That's our answer. And the last one says 48, 24, 72, 36, 108, question mark. 48 divided by 2 is 24. This is the relationship between 48 and 24. However, the relation between 24 and 72 is different. How? 24 multiplied by 3 is 72. Now again, the relation between 72 and 36 is 72 divided by 2 is equals to 36. And again, 36 multiplied by 3 is 108. This series is following divided by 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. The next operation would be divided by 2. Divided by 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. So 108 divided by 2 is 54, I think. Yes, it's 54. That's our answer. That's how you find out a missing number from a series. And there is no rule for it. You just have to practice it, and you just have to find out a relationship between the numbers that are given to find out the number that is not given.